This is a beautiful dark gray cabinet that the brand sent over for me to try, and I really like this. It is very easy to assemble. It came with everything you need. You will need your own screwdriver, but other than that, everything was included. The hardware and the instructions and everything were just really straightforward to use. You can see it goes together really nice here. I did have to pause and take one piece apart to flip something around, but that was my fault. I misread the directions, so that was on me. The directions themselves are very clear. You can see it's coming together really nicely. I love how sturdy this thing feels to me. It feels like a really nice, high quality piece of furniture to me. I love that it has adjustable shelves, and the doors are really, really beautiful. I love how they have kind of the classic black, elegant look. The doors are slow closing doors, which is also really nice. And you can see this thing is just really pretty. I'm super happy with it. The adjustable shelves, the slow closed doors are just fantastic. So thanks to the brand for sending this to me to try. I'm really pleased with it, and I would highly recommend this cabinet.